We are Tenkara Rod Co., and these are the Hafu mini rods. A pocket rod made in Japan for extreme portability and functionality. At just 12.5 inches, these rods are barely longer than a ruler, so the range of places you could take these is almost infinite. Here are a few items to compare it to. Our personal favorite uses for these rods are backpacking, bike packing, keeping it in your backpack or car for quick lunch fishing breaks. The Hafu comes in two lengths, 240 centimeters, which is 7 foot 10 inches, and 300 centimeters, which is 9 foot 10 inches. The 240 weighs just 1.5 ounces, which is lighter than your AirPods. At less than 8 feet, this is the shortest rod we have ever made. It's ideal for small streams and small fish. The 300 weighs 2.4 ounces, so not that much more weight. But with the 2 extra feet of length, it opens up a few more fishing options, like high mountain lakes, a little bit bigger rivers or streams, and slightly bigger fish. Though these are not the rods you want to go chase trophy trout with, but more than anything, a simple, Japanese-made, fun way to get out and fish. So one of the first things you will notice about the rods is the grip. Instead of a cork grip, we are using a thread wrap, which gives the rods a unique look to match with their unique size specifications. We are also using high-quality, Japanese-sourced carbon fiber, along with wood end caps. The other thing you'll notice when casting is these rods have a faster action, which allows for faster casting and a stronger backbone for landing fish. When backing the project, you have the option of getting the rod only or the rod kit. Our favorite option is the kits because it comes with everything you need to fish: rod, line holder, tippet, and flies. Because at its core, minimalism is what Tenkara is all about. The Hafu will be a limited run rod that we are making with a small Japanese rod maker. It's so fun for us to be able to work with these smaller rod makers because it gives them a chance to showcase their work and allows us to provide Japanese-made rods backed with our warranty and customer service. We started Tenkara Rod Co. here on Kickstarter over 10 years ago, and this is our 8th project. We love this community and support we've received over the years, and it allows us to keep making fun things and hopefully inspiring people to get out and fish.